In this tutorial, I will show you which settings you can make as an admin in the section PowerPoint Placeholder Settings in the Admin Center. The Empower feature shown here should also be integrated into future versions of Empower and in some cases already in older Empower versions. In the section PowerPoint Placeholder Settings, you can decide what happens when the user clicks on a placeholder to insert content. You can define the behavior for the following 6 placeholders: chart, clip art, picture, smart art, table, and video. For each placeholder, you have the following 3 options. Empower Slides. If a user selects the placeholder option, the side pane opens in the corresponding folder in the Empower library. Deactivated. If a user selects the placeholder option, a message appears telling the user that this function is not available. Built-in. If a user selects the placeholder option, the Office built-in options open. Select your preferred options. To confirm your changes, click on the button Save. Depending on the Office version in use, not all options in PowerPoint content placeholders can be configured. If the placeholder option cannot be configured in this section, the Office built-in options open if a user selects the respective option. If one of the drop-down menus is left empty, the option Empower Slides is used by default. For more information about the Admin Center, visit the Help Center and YouTube. Feel free to test the function yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.